Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing good and well. Today in this video we are going to see further exercises of chapter 2 which we have seen in previous videos. So student, you have to continue it after question number 4. So let's see the exercises. What is here? Question number 5. Students, you have to write with blue pen only, no need to write with red pen. Okay, here I have written for understanding. Okay, what is here? Question number 5. Describe the various part of the plants. You have to describe various part of the plants. अलग अलग पार्ट बताने हैं प्लांट्स के और आपको उसके फंक्शन डिस्क्राइब करना है. तो इन आंसर व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट. बेसिक पार्ट ऑफ मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स आर रूट, स्टेम, लीव्स, फ्लावर, fruits and seed. You have seen in such parts in many of the plants. In mostly you have seen this part. Okay, now what is here? Root help. This is the answer, student. Okay, this whole page is the answer. Root helps providing support. What does root do? Now one by one आपको एक एक पार्ट बताना है प्लांट का और उसके फंक्शन बताना है. तो नंबर 1 इज रूट. what do root do? Root help providing support. It's provide support to the plant and absorbing water and nutrients needed for the growth. Okay, now second one is the stem. Okay, what do the stem do? The stem support the plant. Stem support the whole plant above the ground and carries the water and minerals to the leaves. Okay, what is the third point? What is the third point? Third part is the leaves. And what does the leaf do? The leaf collect energy from the sun and make food for the plant using the process that is photosynthesis. Okay, number fourth one is the function of the flower. Means the fourth part is the flower. The function of the flower is to perform the process of reproduction by pollination. What do flower do? Flower perform the process of reproduction by pollination. Move on to the next page, students. Here number 5th. What is the 5th part of the plant? That is a fruit. What is the function of the fruit? The function of the fruit is to protect the seed inside. What is the function of the fruit? The function of the fruit is to protect the seed inside. Okay, the seed which is inside the fruit, it protects it. The primary role of the fruit in diet is to provide vitamin. It provides vitamin like A, C and K as well as folic acid. This is folic acid and mineral potassium. Now sixth point is seeds. What is the sixth part? Seeds. And what does it do? Seed perform the function of nourishment of the embryo. Embryo को nourish करेगा कौन? Seed. डिस्पर्सल टू अ न्यू लोकेशन. ये स्कैटर हो जाएंगे पॉलिनेशन के प्रोसेस के वक्त, इधर उधर डिस्पर्स हो जाएंगे and that's why the process of reproduction takes place. And dormancy during the unfavorable condition. Unfavorable condition में ये dormant हो जाएंगे, means they ripe or they rest. Okay, student. Now what is the next exercise? Question number 6. Write question from your textbook. It has given in it. Okay, now answer is point wise there are question. Number 1 is leaf with a smooth surface. You have to describe it. Leaf with a smooth surface. तो बनाना लीफ ऐसा लीफ है जिसको स्मूथ सरफेस रहेंगी. तो बनाना लीफ हैज़ स्मूथ सरफेस. इट इज़ लार्ज इन साइज. यू हैव सीन इट इन बुक. It has also mentioned in book. It is also mentioned in the book, right? It looks like a trunk. It is so long that it's look like a trunk. It has a parallel venation. What type of venation it contains? It has a parallel type of venation. Okay, now second one is leaf with rough surface. A leaf having a rough surface. Which leaf is it? It is hibiscus. Hibiscus leaf has rough surface. Leaf margin is tooth. Tooth means it has a margin, not uniform margin. Okay, it has a margin that has break. Okay, now what is the third point? It has reticulate venation. It has scattered variation. Okay, now third point is flashy leaf. Jade plant has flashy leaf. What do jade plant contain? Jade plant has flashy leaf. It has glossy and smooth structure. Glossy, shining like structure, and smooth, you already know that. There are jade green in color. Jade green in color. Okay, it is a name of a color also. They are jade green in color. That structure or is of green in color, and slightly red color is seen towards the edge of the leaf. Towards the edge or towards the pointed or towards the corner, what do you look, what do you see? You can see a red color, slightly red color margin. Okay, now what is the fourth one? स्पाइंस ऑन लीफ. लीफ पे कांटे होना, ऐसे कौन सी है? अपॉन्शिया. अपॉन्शिया इज अ डेजर्ट प्लांट. अपॉन्शिया इज अ डेजर्ट प्लांट. अपॉन्शिया लीव इज थिक. अपॉन्शिया लीव इज थिक, थोड़ा मोटा होगा. ये लीव जो है, ये प्लांट जो है आपको डेजर्ट में दिखाई देगा. इट इज़ फ्लैशी एंड हैविंग स्पाइंस ऑन इट. और उसके जो लीफ पे है वो क्या रहेंगे? कांटे रहेंगे. लीफ पे स्पाइंस दिखाई देंगे. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप you understand it, you are getting all my points clearly. In this way we have completed the whole exercises of chapter 2. In next video we will start new chapter. Okay students, अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम जा रही होंगी राइटिंग अंडरस्टैंड करने में, राइटिंग नहीं समझ में आ रही होंगी, तो जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड राइट इट आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके.